Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've actually been thinking of a way that I can sell my locks, or people that are in other states can get my locks. So I decided to try crochet. I actually thought about it tonight and I was like, let me just practice and see how it turns out. So you're gonna be needing everything that I usually use for my my lock tutorials, spring twist hair or any type of hair that you're comfortable doing locks with, and also I use the kinky twist hair as well. So guys, if you need a more detailed tutorial, or if this is your first time stopping by my channel, thanks for stopping by. And also I will link some of my previous videos in the description, and also I'm gonna put it up in the screen, or you can just check my old videos and see, because I have a lot of videos on how I achieve my distress locks. I know that different stylists have different techniques and different wrapping method, but I just wrap I don't know, I just wrap loosely and it turns out the way it turns out, and people like it, and it's very flexible. So it just depends on how you wrap, and yeah, you can just check out an old video if you want a more detailed tutorial. And so guys, officially I'm gonna be offering the crochet lock. So I'm gonna be making it on demand for sale. You can actually get it, I'm gonna leave the link in my description, so it's gonna be on my website, and you can find it under YouTube. And if you order it, you can choose any color you want, and it's custom made like you all know. So I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna ship it to you. And also I'm gonna be making videos of me installing it and also installing it on a client, so you all can see how the process goes. I can hear the whispers. I'm sure someone is like, why would she be sharing her business ideas? I personally believe it's just like me coming out to say, oh, this is how I do my distress locks, and some stylists are like, oh, I'm not gonna share, because it's my Krabby Patty formula. So I feel no matter how well you share or how detailed you share, not everyone is still gonna be like you. It's like I show you how I wrap, and you still cannot, your locks will still not look like mine. And that people out there that still come to me, I still have clients every day, booking the styles that I share out there. So not everyone is gonna want to do the hair on themselves, or have the time or the patience to do their hair, and even for stylists, I know stylists actually watch YouTube videos to practice their craft, sorry guys. But I feel, no, I can show you the technique, I can show you the hair, but the outcome can also be very different. So if me sharing it, will still not stop me from making money from it, or or just doing whatever I want to do, because I feel we all can put in different spices to a particular thing. So I can do it a different way, and you can do it a different way, and it comes out two different ways. So it just depends on whatever you want to do. Just do you. So I'm fine with sharing. If you haven't subscribed, it's not too late. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can see the other videos of the installation and also other videos that I will be bringing to the table. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, share, and turn on your post notification so you can know when I post more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.